Essential conversations. This way, please. Take a seat. Come in. It's cheap. It's too expensive. That's all. You're right. You're wrong. I'm Iranian. Do you speak English? I don't speak French. I don't understand. Would you say that again, please? Please speak slowly. What is it called in English? Here is. Here are. I like it. I don't like it / them. I know. I didn't know. I think so. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm in a hurry. I'm ready. Leave me alone. Just a moment. Sorry. Excuse me. That's all right. Not at all. Don't mention it. Don't worry. It doesn't matter. I beg your pardon. Am I disturbing you? I'm sorry to have troubled you. Good / that's fine. That is very kind of you. Good morning. Good day. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Hello. How are you? Very well, thank you. Goodbye. See you soon. Have you met my husband? May I introduce you to my husband? Glad to know you. What's your name? What's your address? What's your phone number? Where are you staying? Where are you from? Make yourself comfortable. Help yourself. Good appetite. Would you like a drink? Thanks for a pleasant day. Thanks for the invitation. Are you doing anything this evening? Could we have coffee together? Could we have dinner together? Would you like to go to the museum for a walk with me? Would you like to go for a walk together? Bon voyage. Good luck / all the best to you. Personal information and family. A. What's your name? B. Gloria P. Sanchez. A. What's your first name? B. What's your middle name? BP. A. What's your last name? What's your family name? What's your surname? B. Sanchez. A. Did you say Sanchez? B. Yes, that's right. A. How do you spell your first name? B. Gloria. A. How do you spell your last name? B. Sanchezb. What's your address? B. Gloria P. Sanchez. 95 Garden St. Apartment 3G. Los Angeles, California, 90036. A. What's your building number? B. 95. A. What's your street name? B. Garden Street. A. What's your apartment number? B. 3G. A. What's your city? B. Los Angeles. A. What's your state? B. California. A. What's your zip code? B. 90036. A. What's your area code? B. 323. A. What's your phone number? B. 524_1864. A. What's your cell phone number? B. 323_695_1864. A. What's your mail address? B. Gloria97@aol.com. A. What's your social security number? 227_93_6185. A. What's your sex? Male, M, or female, F? B. Female, F. A. What's your date of birth? B. May 12, 1988. A. What's your place of birth? Centerville, Texas. Name. First name. Middle name. Last name/family name. Address. Street number. Street. Apartment number. City. State. Zip code. Area code. Telephone number/phone number. Email address. Social security number. Sex. Date of birth. Place of birth. Family members. Who's he?
He's my husband.
What's his name?
His name is Jack.
Who's she?
She's my wife.
What's her name?
Her name is Nancy.
Husband. Wife. Parents. Father. Mother. Child. Children. Daughter. Son. Baby. Sibling. Sister. Brother. Grandparents. Grandfather. Grandmother. Grandchild. Granddaughter. Grandson. Uncle. Aunt. Niece. Nephew. Cousin. Mother-in-law. Father-in-law. Son-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Brother-in-law. Sister-in-law.